Okay girls, I've come into school to show you this demonstration. So what I've got here are 3 Petri dishes, and what I'm going to do is add hydrochloric acid, which is a strong acid, to the first Petri dish. I'm going to add sodium hydroxide, which is a strong base, to the last Petri dish, and I'm going to fill the middle one up with water. Okay, and I'm going to show you what happens with 3 different indicators. The first one I'm going to show you is red litmus paper, and it just comes as these red strips. And I'm going to put 1 strip of each into each Petri dish. So in the acid, stays red. In the water, stays red. I'm just going to go and get some tongs so that I'm not touching this. And when I put it in the alkali, you can see that it goes blue. Okay, so if red litmus paper turns blue, you know you've got an alkali. Now I'm going to take the blue litmus paper. This litmus paper is really good for deciding whether or not something is an acid or a base, but what it doesn't tell you is how strong the acid or the base is. So the blue litmus paper in acid, you should be able to see it turn in red there. In pure water, it stays blue, and in the sodium hydroxide, it stays blue. Okay, so litmus paper is really good for deciding if something is acid or basic. So in an acid, the litmus paper is always red. In a strong base, the litmus paper is always blue. And in pure water, blue litmus stays blue and red litmus stays red. Now, if it looks like that blue paper is looking a little bit red, then that's because it's old litmus paper. It should stay nice and blue. And I'm just going to fish those out and put them over to the side. So that's how we can decide whether something is an acid or a base, or whether it's neutral. But the much more useful indicator is universal indicator, and it's like a green liquid. Okay, this is the stuff that we have here at school. And if I put that in the acid, you can see the whole solution turns bright red. Okay, so you should be realizing now that acid is a red color. In sodium hydroxide, it goes purple, a really dark purple. Okay, and if I pour it into pure water, it should be green, but that is not. Okay, and I think that will be because I've just got the water out of the tap, and what I should have used was distilled water. So let me just try that again. So it just goes to show you. If I wash my Petri dish and fill it up again, that would explain, with distilled water this time. There we go, that's what it should be. Okay, so red is acidic, green neutral, purple strongly alkali. So remember, an alkali is a base which has been dissolved in water. Okay, and pure, so acids, lots of hydrogen ions in an acid, lots of hydroxide ions in an alkali, and pure water has an equal number of hydrogen and hydroxide ions. And so because it has an equal number, it is neutral, and it's just pure water. Okay, thanks girls.